I am beyond honored and excited to be here today, nearly 10 years after I competed in 2015 in Technovation. You are here because you are driven by your desire to solve the problems you see around you, to create solutions and play an active role in the futures of technology and AI.
The solutions that these girls are making are so innovative and extremely impactful. Technovation is so important because it's really created a foundation for them to develop the skills to create these amazing solutions.
I would really like to thank Technovation for giving me this chance to learn machine learning and experience like the power of AI and the power of how girls can create such change in the community and create such cool mobile apps.
There are far too few women in tech currently. Technovation has allowed these young ladies to express themselves, to immerse themselves in the computer science. It's been great, and to see what they were able to come up with to impact the world.
It feels good to make something kind of have an actual, real impact on people. I feel like the social aspect of it really speaks to me.
It taught me the skills of entrepreneurship. It taught me the skills to speak up. I predominantly learned that I could build something. I can make an impact in the world.
We are all here today because we want to ensure that when it comes to our futures, to the futures of the AI and technology revolutions, that young women know that they have a seat at the table.